I hope this doesn't stain my teeth. Okay, so boom. I know I look a mess, but I'm about to do this prank on my mom. I just got off work and I felt like doing a prank. I'm going to go get the fake blood, probably from a Party City or something. I look too much of a mess to be doing this video, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get the fake blood and then I'm gonna already be recording when I walk in or whatever. But I'm gonna just tell her that I'm doing a video curling my hair, so when she sees the camera, she gonna think that I was already, you know, doing a video. The gag is, I wasn't. Alright, so I made it. I ended up going to Spirit Halloween. Look at it. Anyway, let me make sure I got everything, so I just walk up in here with no money. No money. Ooh, syringe pins. I just want some blood. Look at all this stuff. Look at me looking everywhere else but where I need to be looking. Maybe I should ask somebody. Ew. I really don't need that much. Blood capsules. Demon blood? Darker than original blood. Vampire blood. How am I gonna get this?
These are new ones.
Hi.
These are new ones. Hope you all enjoy your costumes.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
If I was to put this in my mouth, would I die?
Would you die? I highly doubt it.
I didn't see anything like specifically edible blood. I'm not gonna swallow it.
You're gonna be like a vampire or something.
Yeah.
Is that part of your phone?
No.
Oh.
The camera.
Oh. I was say I need one too. I don't think so, but I would look it up.
Yeah.
Like, you're trying to put it like on your lips and stuff. Yeah, I think as long as you don't like ingest it, you should.
Okay. Got the goods. I got this. Wait. I got this vampire blood. It's like theatrical blood that I got from Spirit Halloween. She said it won't kill me, so put it all up in my mouth. But everyone was just staring at me with my camera. It was so funny. Like nobody really does YouTube down here. Ooh. But yeah, nobody really does YouTube down here or videos or blogging or anything like that. So that was kind of funny, but all right. So I'm on the way home and I don't know. Okay, so when I walk in, I ain't gonna do it like right after, but I'm just wait a little while, act like I'm curling my hair. I'd have to have some curls. I'm not doing all that. So when I get home, I'm gonna walk in. I'm gonna say, hey mom, I'm about to do this video of me curling my hair. So then I'm gonna wait maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, I'm just gonna start coughing like really bad, really hard. And then if she don't come in from me coughing, then I'm just gonna call her, because knowing her, she just think I'm playing around. And then I'm gonna have the blood dripping down my face, coming out of my mouth, and it should be lit. So yeah. see y'all when I get home. Okay, I get home and she's over there mowing the motherfucking lawn. Hey, Mom. I'm probably about to go record a video or something. In my room.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah. I got some Taco Bell. But yeah, I'm about to go record a video. Alright, love you. Okay, so the gag is I'm gonna catch her when she comes in from mowing the lawn. So she's gonna be nice and sweaty, and she's gonna be it's gonna be funny. So I'm just gonna chill out, eat my Taco Bell for a sec, wait till she get done, because she should be done like in about 10 minutes. So that's a good enough time. Okay, so she just went outside, and now I'm about to get started setting up. So I'm about to put the blood on and everything, and da, 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 da. I'm so nervous. Like, I don't know how she's gonna react. I really don't. Like, we'll watch pranks on YouTube, but we haven't watched like a fake blood prank, so she has no idea. And I'm so scared because I really don't know. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like fakeness though. Ew, I don't want to taste it. Just put a whole bunch like going down my face. Ew. I'm gonna put some like on this. Ew, this is gonna be a mess to clean up, honey. I'm just like pouring it on the floor. Now I have to hide. Ew, I hope this doesn't stain my teeth. I have to hide the evidence. Okay, this is the setup. That made it look worse. It's a prank. What the fuck? Are you serious? You know that I'm gonna murder my child. How do you feel, Mom?
This is not funny. For any mama or parent, that ain't funny. You hear me? YouTube, wherever she posted this shit at, it ain't funny.
I used fake vampire blood.
You know what? I'm banning you from that damn camera. No more camera action for you.
Mom, you didn't even panic the way I wanted you to.
Because I'm in control. I don't panic. I got it under control.
You got it under control.
Yes. We gonna narrow it down to symptoms, because you know it ain't no emergency room off the bat. That's a high bill. So once I diagnose you, then we'll decide whether you gonna go to the emergency room or not.
Mom.
What? I'm just saying. You already know. You already know. I'm the doctor up in here. Dr. O'Neal. MD, PhD, everything.
That stuff had my lip burning.
You should have had your lip burning.
I don't even know what's in it.
That's what you get. I don't panic. Damn it. I fix it. I hope your hands don't stop being red either.
Oh my God, that's so red.
Got my stuff red. I'm supposed to.
Yes, you're supposed to panic.
I'm the mama. I don't panic. Didn't I tell you I'm the mama? I get done, YouTube.
Well, that's all, folks.
That's it. I still don't like this shit. Turn this goddamn camera off.